when an interview gives you a question, okay, you need to first discuss the answer with him. Like whatever you are thinking, you are getting it wrong at last. You seem to know the answer to the questions, but you are not able to like describe it clearly. Let me introduce myself first. So I am Sanjeev Kumar Shah. I am currently a software developer in India Gold for last 1 year, and I live in Kolkata. So before we start, I would like to know about you.
Okay. My name is Sai Kiran. I completed my bachelor's this year from Yale University in computer science. I have done 1 year internship in a startup. It's based on NLP based products. So I worked there as we worked there on like web development and machine learning tasks mostly. Uh, right now, I'm looking for other job opportunities based on JavaScript and Python.
Mhm. You have like interned in Vox Logic, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
So can you like tell me your role in that
Oh,
company?
so my role was intern. So I worked on actually 3 projects. Mm, so I developed like 2 interface applications. One with
What do you mean
Fast
by interface application?
interfaces, websites for whatever API we built. That's
Uh-huh.
So one was like it's a help domain project. It's based on Fitbit watch. So there I built a dashboard to show real time uh, readings, readings like heart and footsteps and everything. Mm.
Uh-huh.
And then worked on a like a quiz kind of platform.
What challenges did you face in that company, and how did
So
you overcome them?
coming to challenges, most my biggest challenge was doing machine learning.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, like I was in such a situation where I did not learn the basics of the machine learning. I was dealing with all the complex models,
Mm-hmm.
so I was not at all able to know where to start and where to head. I always used to reach all the GitHub support we call issues. I used to raise all lot of issues, and then I used to get my problem solved. Also, my most complex task when I was leading was usually models are big.
How do you rate yourself in DSA out of 10?
Out of 10,
Yes,
I would rate it 6
6.
because I,
So
yeah,
so
I
we'll be
didn't.
going. Acha, let me tell. So
I
we'll be going to like solve easy to medium problem if that is
oh,
okay with you.
shit,
So which language you are going to choose?
Python.
Python. Okay, that's great. Uh, so let's so then write a function for me which will take an array which is list in Python, right?
Yes,
Which
yes.
will take a list and an integer and will return an array of two integers which will give me the index of the values whose sum is equal to the target. Are you getting my point?
Yes.
Yeah, let's solve this. Uh, I have to interrupt you here. So as we are doing this mock interview, okay. So I have to tell you like how to do this, okay.
Oh,
So
okay, okay.
no, I'm
So,
not giving the wait please.
so
I'm not giving you the answer. Listen to me first.
okay,
So when an interview gives you a question, okay, you need to first discuss the answer with him. Like whatever you are thinking, you need to discuss with him. Okay?
so, okay, sure.
Yeah.
So So given this array, I will first iterate to this like example the first element and compare
Can you
adding.
can you speak louder?
Hello, yeah, is it okay now?
Yeah,
Hello.
yeah.
Yeah. So I do a iterative process where I would compare. I will consider first the first element and make a sum, and the rest of the elements making a sum. So if the sum is equal to the target, I will just return uh, this first one and the second one. Or else, after all that, if nothing is found, we just return empty list.
Okay. So like how you are going to solve it? Like just tell me the approach. How like suppose this is give me 1 minute. Suppose this is not the example and the example is like this. Seven. How will you approach this question
How
now?
uh, just do the same, iterating everyone, every element, uh, and just ignoring the last one. So I would compare the first with rest and add up to sum. If it's equal to target, I will return this one and the other one which I am comparing. Uh,
So how many for loop you are going to use?
Two for loops.
Two for loop. So what will be the time complexity of this?
Uh, okay. 4, 3, 2, 1. Uh, it's like order of sorry n log n. I would take it
And log n.
because
And like
I
are you
always
con
reduce the comparison.
no no. Are you confident about that?
Yeah, because okay, it would actually be n square. Order
N
of n square.
square.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's correct. It will be n square. Big O of n square, right?
Yes, big of n square.
So can you like reduce the time complexity?
Uh, Reducing the time complexity.
Mm, or give me a minute. Can you still use that whatever you're talking about, the algorithm?
Yeah. Yes.
You are getting it wrong at last.
I
Have any
wanted some.
question for me?
So I want more feedback. Like, how can I improve? Like, I haven't
How
faced
can
any.
you improve, right?
Yeah.
Do you know the areas where you are lacking? You must have like got some idea from this interview. Let me tell you like step by step how it happened. Okay, this interview.
Okay.
So when I started, I actually looked at your resume and I asked question based on your previous work experience and your personal projects. Okay,
Okay.
so you might you seem to know the answer to the questions, but you are not able to like describe it clearly.
Yeah.
Like whenever you're describing something, you need to articulate a sentence or something. You need to articulate your answer for that, but you are not able to articulating that answer because you were not prepared for this interview. Okay,
Yes.
not expecting these questions, so you have not prepared for this questions like interviews. Then I dig into Express, which you have mentioned in your CV, and you were not able to like you were not able to answer the medium level question solving it. That's okay, but you are supposed to like discuss that question with me, with the interviewer first, like this is what I'm thinking, and this is the approach I'm thinking I'm going to attend. Nice meeting you. Bye.
Thank you. Thanks a lot for your time.
Hmm. Bye.
Thanks. Thanks. Thanks a lot.